Good day everyone. In this video I'm going to explain how to use the Fohlio add-in for Revit. Let's get started. After having successfully installed the Revit add-in, please go to the Add-ins tab and click on this Fohlio icon. You will see the stockable panel on the right and use your credentials, Fohlio credentials to log in. Next, select the Fohlio project. I will be using demo project. And let's export some data to Fohlio. In the first step, we need to select rooms from which to export some data and map them to Fohlio areas. It can be done manually by using like this drop-down box, or as an alternative, it's possible to set up which layers to use for which entities. I mean, let's say we want to have all levels from Revit exported to the first layer called floor in Folio and all the rooms to the second layer called rooms. These layers must be adjusted. All right, let's click Auto Map and select this room. This area doesn't exist right now in Folio, but will be created. Here we're going to decide what family types to export and to what categories. As can be seen, not only all the items have been collected from this room, but also on the materials from the surfaces and from the items themselves. Pine, laminate, ivory. All right. Again, it's kind of similar to the previous step. It's possible to override everything one by one, or by going to settings, we can set up a specific folio category for all items under a specific category in Revit. So, and then if we click Auto Map, all the values will be updated. So I think right now, yeah, generic models will be all assigned to the specialties category. Let's select doors, I think furniture and pine. Click next. In this step, we're mapping between type parameters in folio columns and deciding which ones to export. It's possible to map everything to the same column in Folio. All the values will be concatenated with the names of the parameters. You will see the result later. And yeah, I think everything here is all right. Let's maybe select information about the materials. Click next. In this last step, it's optional, but it's possible to specify which columns to use in Folio to uniquely identify items. For instance, if I select this one and check to which type parameter it's mapped, I can see that, let's take this item. This item has a value of 42 in this parameter. So if I go to Folio and create an item with the same value in this column, instead of creating a new item, this item will be updated. So let's see this in action. Let's go to Folio. So again, as you can see, this item has been updated, and items that didn't exist but have some values in the tag reference have been created with all the quantities, of course, from this room. The paint, yeah, I think it's material. So next, I'm going to show you how to import data from Fohlio. First, let's create a new item to show you that it's possible to import everything without any initial synchronization. Let's replace this item with an item from library and assign this item a specific tag reference. This field is very important, or other values. So let me show how it works because it depends on your setup. Again, demo project, import from Fohlio. Uh, as I mentioned earlier, it's very important which value is here. So if I decide to use this column for mapping, I need to specify uh, the same value in the family type, which I would like to have updated with all the information from Fohlio. Let's select this table and assign it the same value. Apply. I might need to refresh some data. It's possible to do it here. Okay. So click next. Here we again specify what parameters to update and from which columns in Fohlio. So description from description, images to images, model type, and this one is mapped to mark. So if I click import and check the results, you will see that this item has been populated with all the information from this item in Fohlio, including the image, model number. Oh, lastly, I'm afraid I forgot to mention it earlier. This is how all the mapping is done to the same column. All the values are concatenated and are kind of uh, used with the parameter names as well. So I think that's it. Thank you so much for your attention.